How to shut down or turn off your iPhone 14. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can shut down your iPhone 14. So if you try it the normal way, which is simply long press on your power button, simply it will show no response. So in order to shut down or turn off your iPhone 14, there are basically two ways on how you can do that. So let me demonstrate you both of those ways in this video. So the first way is simply long press on the power button and either the volume up button or the volume down button simultaneously. And once you do that, this type of page will appear where in order to power off your iPhone or shut down your iPhone, all you have to do is simply swipe this to the right and then you will have turned off your iPhone. Now the second way on how you can do that is simply go to your settings, scroll down and then go to general. Now scroll down and there you can see the option shutdown. Simply tap on it and then it will take you to this page once again where all you have to do to shut down your iPhone is simply swipe to the right. So that was basically how you shut down or turn off your iPhone 14. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.